Welcome to our exploration of invertebrates, the animals without backbones. Invertebrates represent one of the most diverse and fascinating groups in the animal kingdom. These creatures lack the vertebral column that characterizes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Despite this seemingly simple distinction, invertebrates have evolved incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in virtually every habitat on Earth. Invertebrates are not just common, they are overwhelmingly dominant in the animal kingdom. An astounding 95% of all animal species on Earth are invertebrates. This means that for every vertebrate species like dogs, cats, birds, or humans, there are 19 invertebrate species. Their numerical dominance reflects their evolutionary success and remarkable ability to adapt to diverse environments. The defining characteristic of invertebrates is remarkably straightforward. These are animals that lack a vertebral column, commonly known as a backbone or spine. While vertebrates like humans have an internal skeleton with a spinal column protecting the nerve cord, invertebrates have evolved alternative body structures. Some have hard external coverings, others have fluid-filled chambers for support, and some remain soft-bodied throughout their lives. Invertebrates are organized into several major groups, each with distinct characteristics. The four largest and most significant groups are arthropods, which include insects and spiders, mollusks, which encompass snails and octopuses, worms, comprising various elongated species, and cnidarians, which include jellyfish and corals. Each of these groups has evolved unique body plans and survival strategies that have allowed them to colonize nearly every ecosystem on our planet. Arthropods are the most diverse invertebrate group, characterized by their jointed legs and hard external skeleton called an exoskeleton. This group includes insects like butterflies and beetles, spiders and scorpions, crustaceans such as crabs and lobsters, and centipedes. The exoskeleton provides protection and support, but must be shed periodically as the animal grows, a process called molting. Arthropods are found in terrestrial, freshwater, and marine environments. Mollusks are characterized by their soft bodies, which are often protected by hard shells. This diverse group includes snails that crawl slowly on a muscular foot, clams that filter feed while buried in sand, and highly intelligent octopuses and squid that can change color and shape. While many mollusks have protective shells made of calcium carbonate, some like octopuses and slugs have reduced or completely lost their shells through evolution. Worms represent several different invertebrate groups united by their long, flexible body shape. Earthworms tunnel through soil, aerating it and decomposing organic matter. Flatworms have simple, flattened bodies and include both free-living species and parasites. Roundworms are among the most abundant animals on Earth, found in virtually every environment. Despite their simple appearance, worms play crucial roles in nutrient cycling and ecosystem health. Cnidarians are aquatic invertebrates characterized by their radial symmetry and specialized stinging cells. Jellyfish drift through ocean currents, using their tentacles to capture prey. Corals are colonial cnidarians that build massive reef structures, creating habitats for countless other species. Sea anemones attach to rocks and wave their tentacles to catch passing food. All cnidarians possess stinging cells called cnidocytes, which they use for defense and capturing prey. Invertebrates share several important characteristics beyond the absence of a backbone. They lack an internal skeleton made of bone or cartilage, relying instead on other support structures. Many species have developed exoskeletons or shells for protection and structural support. Invertebrates display incredible diversity in their size, ranging from microscopic organisms to giant squid, and in their shapes and habitats. They have evolved highly specialized adaptations that allow them to exploit specific ecological niches and survive in extreme conditions. Invertebrates are essential to the health and functioning of ecosystems worldwide. They are critical pollinators, with bees, butterflies, and other insects enabling plant reproduction and food production. Invertebrates drive decomposition, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. They maintain ecosystem balance by serving as food for other animals, controlling pest populations, and contributing to soil health. Without invertebrates, ecosystems would collapse and human food systems would fail.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.